Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Igor. I'm a technical consultant of the StuffCounter support team. And in this video, I want to show you how to install the StuffCounter application on a computer with the Mac OS X 14 operating system. Here is a computer with a fresh operating system Mac OS X 14. To download the StuffCounter application, you need to launch a browser and visit the stuffcounter.net website. Open the download page, select the program for Mac OS and click download. Now you need to confirm the download of the program, because the program is quite powerful and it could theoretically be used as spyware. But it is intended for parental control. Then we open the download folder and unpack the downloaded package. Open the folder and run the file with the DMG extension and move the StuffCounter application to the Applications folder. Now we launch the StuffCounter application from the Applications folder. Click the Open button and enter your email address that was used for registration on the server. The monitoring has begun. Now let's visit the StuffCounter.net site and log into our account. Click Login and enter your login and password. What do we see? A message about confirming encryption for this device appeared and disappeared. And now we can see the virtual device admin 14 has appeared. This is the name of the administrator who works on a computer. Let's visit some sites and watch some news. Just write the news word and watch the news on CNN. So, what do we see? StuffCounter asks for permission to access the camera and microphone, and also to the web browser. We must allow all of this. Click the Allow button. And only after that, the program will start collecting information. After we watch some news, we can go back and update the page. We can see the Google Chrome application was used. And there is no other information yet. No problem, after encryption is confirmed, and it will be confirmed automatically, some important information will definitely appear. Let's visit some more sites, for example in Safari. The StuffCounter program asks for permission to access Safari. Let's see some videos on YouTube and watch some news. Now let's see what was uploaded to our virtual device. Refresh the page. This time we can see that there is a text, there are some screenshots and web addresses. Let's see what operating system we have. We have Mac OS X 14.4.1. You can pause monitoring. Monitoring can be resumed. When the green icon appears, it means the camera was used. When the microphone appears, it means audio recording was started. Now let's see what permissions we have to grant to the StuffCounter application. As we have seen before, they were provided automatically. We just need to allow them. But still we need to know that such permissions exist and need to know where they are. Open System Preferences, Privacy and Security, and let's look at all these points. Some of them have a StuffCounter program. If at some point there is a StuffCounter program, it means there must be a permission for it. As you can see, there is a permission for the camera, nothing for motion, no voice recognition, for accessibility, yes. This is needed for screen reading and also for reading text typed by the user. Screen access is needed to take screenshots. And in the automation group, there is access to Safari and Google Chrome programs. That's all. No other permissions we needed for this version of StuffCounter. If you still have any questions about installing the StuffCounter program, please ask in the comments to this video. Goodbye!